Super delicious chicken curry. Please try this once and I hope you will like to prepare again and again. Add 5 to 6 tablespoons mustard oil or any oil. Once oil become hot, add 1 tsp cumin seeds, 2 dry red chillies, 2 green chillies, 2 bay leaves, 10 whole black peppers. Sauté for few seconds. Add a ½ kilogram thin sliced onions. Fry it for 10 to 12 minutes on mid-flame till it turns brown. Now it's golden brown. 2½ tsp crushed ginger, 2 tablespoons garlic paste. Sauté for approx 2 minutes on mid-flame. Add 1 kilogram chicken. Mix well. Cook for 10 minutes at medium flame. Keep on stirring in between. After 10 minutes, 1 tsp turmeric powder, 2 tsp coriander powder, 1½ tsp cumin powder, 2 tsp red chilli powder or to taste. Mix well. Add salt to taste. Cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. In between, cover it and leave it for some time. Keep on stirring. After 10 minutes, add 1 tbsp kasoori methi. Add 1 tsp garam masala. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes at high flame. Add approx 2 cups hot water. Mix well. Let it cook for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, chicken curry is ready to serve. Add some coriander leaves. Mix well. Ready to serve. Please try this super delicious chicken curry recipe and I hope you will like it. Please feel free to subscribe my channel.